This is your house, your car, your computer. These are your things, but this is what matters most. Protect them all with Xiaomi. A family of wireless, connected, cameras and motion sensors you can place anywhere. No drilling, no wiring, no hassle. Xiaomi guides you through its own setup in just minutes. Connects to your Wi-Fi and sends alerts to your phone. Search and review your recordings in the secure Xiaomi cloud. Home, rental, retail, or office. Xiaomi's portable systems can be moved to where you need it most. The wireless entry sensors are made for windows, doors, cabinets, or jewelry boxes. The wireless motion sensors can also detect human heat signatures. Wireless and weather-resistant outdoor cameras detect visitors, animals, or deliveries with a battery that can last up to 1 month. The intelligent indoor camera automatically turns and pans to follow people and pets. A continuous stream of high-definition video and two-way audio
Ava, honey, can you go take the dog for a walk?
allows you to communicate from anywhere. Xiaomi is a comprehensive home security system designed to feel more like part of the family. Meet the Xiaomi Home family.